final exam time. Here's the information that you're going to need to know and make sure you complete by the deadlines for you to earn all the points that you need for your final exam. First of all, the final exam is proctored, and if you are unsure of what that means, you can click here to find the definition. But the final exam is proctored exactly like your midterm was proctored. It is password protected, and those passwords will be given to specific people who would be administering the test for you. The final exam will cover all of the units from this course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You must take the final exam if you are in this course to even have a chance to pass. It is required. It is written in the syllabus like that. So you must make time and complete this by the deadline that is listed in the course calendar. You have to take the final exam at using ProctorU if you are not living in the state of Oklahoma. And remember, you have given this information to me through the introduction forum. Also, if you live near Altus, it would be helpful if you would please take it at the Western Testing Center, and if you cannot, then an approved proctor must be approved by your instructor, but you have to do the paperwork by the deadline, and the paperwork can be found here, the proctor agreement form, has to be turned in by the deadline listed in the course calendar. Also, there is a optional final exam review down here, and there's also the answer key for that review if you are willing to use those to study and to practice. The forum down here is optional, but this is where you can ask me questions about the length of the exam, the number of questions, what resources you can use while taking the test, or any content questions that you can be found on these final exams, or anything that you want to just ask me so you're prepared. You must complete the final exam, and this is required to pass the course. I've already said that, but I want you to be aware. And the deadline is listed in the course calendar. So make sure that you take this and do not forget. If you have any questions, please, well, let me point this out. The exam is taken in my math test, and the password will be given to the place or whoever is administering the test. So don't forget that. Ask your instructor if you have any questions.